Welcome to Afifa Cuisine. Today we're making a rich and creamy chicken korma, a classic Pakistani dish that's perfect with naan or rice. Start with 500 grams boneless chicken, 2 tablespoons oil, and 1 large, finely chopped onion. Heat the oil in a pan and sauté the onions until they turn golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute. Then add the chicken and stir until it turns white. For spices, add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, mixing everything well. Next, add a 1/2 cup whisked yogurt and a 1/2 cup water to make a thick, creamy gravy. Cover and simmer for 15-20 minutes until the chicken is tender and the flavors meld perfectly. For extra creaminess, add 1/4 cup cream and 2 tablespoons ground almonds or cashews. Stir well and cook for another 2 minutes. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves for a beautiful finish. Your delicious creamy chicken korma is now ready to serve hot. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe to Afifa Cuisine for more amazing recipes.